Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying error on Resident Evil 4 for Windows 10. It's very easy to fix. There are two different methods, so try not to skip any steps. The first method is to type in CMD. You're going to see command prompt come up. Right click on this and hit run as administrator. Now this will come up. You want to type in sfc /scan now, no space in between those two words, and hit enter. Now what this does, this will scan your entire system for corrupt system files and automatically replace them. This is exactly what you want, and this should fix the issue most of the time. If you have done this, please reboot your system and then try it once again to see if the error is fixed. If it is not fixed, move on to method number 2. So method number 2, I'm going to put a URL in the video description below, but it will bring you to this site. You want to download this Visual C++, etc., from March 2025. Download this and you will get a zip file. Let me show you the zip file. So once you have downloaded, the zip file should look something like this. You want to right click on this and say extract all, and then it will look something like this. Make sure you extract the file first. If you just click it on Windows, you will open it, but it will not run properly. You have to extract it beforehand. Now you should see a file that says install all.bat. You might not see the file extension unless you go show file name extensions, but you'll see a file called install_all. Double click on this and this will run all of the executables one by one and replace all of the Visual C++ files with uncorrupted new files, and this should fix the issue. If this video helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. See you next time.